Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing kind of a channel updates and some of the things that I'm working on and some of the things that might be to be expected on the channel depending on your feedback on today's video. Now what I'm doing lately is I remember my Turret 130, and this is an old quadcopter. It's maybe 7 months old. It came out a while ago. And it was just an amazing 3-inch quadcopter. So it wasn't super fast, but it was just so agile and just so efficient that it was just amazing. However, it's so outdated now. Plus, one of the things that really killed this was the fact that the hole size for the flight controller was proprietary. And it will not fit 20 by 20 or 30 by 30. So what I have done is I've gone ahead and picked up a CNC machine and I've started designing a new bottom plate. Now this is where your feedback comes in. So I've already started designing it. I've gotten it down just perfect, as you can tell here. I still haven't done the holes just yet on the design, but I just did a quick test 3D print to see if everything is working, if it aligns, if all the dimensions align correctly, everything is perfect. And I've gotten my CNC machine. I've drew an outline with a pen on the CNC machine. However, the pen was playing back and forth, but it seems okay. And I've done a test run with the marker, which is a lot better and it's more stable. However, I threw that paper away, but that's not the point. So back to my topic. I really want to upgrade this guy. Now, this guy came, you know, okay. It's an F3 flight controller. It's very old. It comes with clean flight, if you believe it or not. So what I want to do is I want to set up an F4 flight controller, which is the HGLRC F4 Zeus. Now this is the HGLRC. It's a F4 flight controller. It's 20 by 20, and it has 15 amp ESCs built in with OSD, which is insane. Now another reason why I was not really flying this, it would have still flown perfect with everything in it, but the camera I burnt, or the first one that it came with, just happened to burn. So I've gone ahead and purchased one a long time ago, and it's crap because everything is just blue. So I really couldn't see anything. Well, I could see everything, but it was just very annoying and I didn't want to fly it anymore because it just pissed me off. So lately, there's a lot of things coming out for these little micros. For example, this little camera is a pretty awesome little beast. This is the FXT T80. And this is the camera that I'm going to be replacing the Turret with. Now, this is the point where I need your feedback. Now, I am planning on doing a lot of CNC projects. For example, building custom frames, doing custom mods to frames, 6-inch arms, 7-inch arms, new bottom plates, upper plates, even machining aluminum upper plates, kind of like the frog kind of thing going on for specific frames. And this is where I want to know if you guys would like to see this within this channel, or should I just open a separate channel for that stuff? Now, you know, everything will stay as is. My bench testing, my ESC testing, my flight controller, my builds, all that will stay exactly the same. However, I'll be adding these CNC projects and these little DIY stuff and just, you know, just cool little new stuff that we could do. So my CNC machine is perfected now. It's just, I've aligned it, I've built it, I've done everything. It's a pretty proper one. And my 3D printer is also aligned perfectly. I've been tuning it for the past week. I've gotten it just right, and I'm really starting to love this. So I'll be doing more possibly 3D printing and CNC projects, and this is where I wanted to see again if you guys would like to have this on this channel, or should I just separate it completely into a different channel. So this is what I am where I want your feedback, really. So overall, you know, I really can't wait for this. I'm just super excited for it. It's going to be super awesome. And I've also received most of my new testing equipment that I've been promising about. I just received today the 4-channel oscilloscope from Siglent. It was provided by Siglent, which was very nice of them for supporting the channel. This way we could actually measure the latency even on Fatshark modules, which is going to be pretty insane. So that's going to be upcoming very soon. We're going to test that Eachine one, that Real ACC Fatshark module, and the TrueD Fatshark module, because I have those three. So we're going to be testing those. And we'll use a pretty static camera such as the Cadex, because that had a 4 millisecond latency, and we should be able to monitor all 3 channels on the oscilloscope and get the proper latency measurement before, if there is any latency inside the modules themselves. So overall, I really want you guys' feedback. This is going to be an interesting project. I will still have possibly this project on the channel, just because I think it's going to be pretty interesting. Yes, I know you could just drill full holes, but I want to take it to a whole new level. What I want to do is I want to design the whole bottom plate, and then just do a test run, and then do a custom bottom plate, which makes it like into a sick true X kind of way, reduce even more weight, because this thing, when it was fully built, it was like between 70 and 90 grams, which is pretty insane. And it takes little tiny motors, and I'm planning on keeping small motors like the 11 size, 11XX. So I'm planning on putting some Emax 1107 or 6, I forgot what they were, but I'm planning on putting some of those motors into this frame. I don't want to go bigger than that. I just want to keep it very nimble and efficient. That's my key here, is efficiency, not speed, not ridiculousness, efficiency, because I just want to sit down, relax, and just fly for 5-6 minutes if possible. That's my goal, at least, and we'll see how that works out. So overall, that's going to conclude it for this video, guys. I'll leave a link to this down below, the Tarot 130 and this camera, and also my 3D printer if you're curious, and the CNC machine that I purchased. And if you guys would like to see the CNC machine, let me know. I'll make a separate video for that so you guys can see it also. And it's going to be pretty fun, pretty interesting. So yeah, that's it, guys. So consider joining my Patreon, help me support this channel, and don't miss out the awesome giveaways. I usually do 2 giveaways a month. Last month's giveaways were the GTR 90 and the awesome F100. Next month, I don't know what yet, but possibly the Sparrow, the complete HGLRC built Sparrow. Maybe something else too, I don't know. We'll figure it out next month. And yeah, that's it. And you could also use the affiliate links down below to greatly support the channel. If you guys have any questions or any suggestions, feel free to let me know. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you next time. See you guys. Take care.